And I have a note here that one of the contestants in this match wants to say something to the crowd. So I guess, ladies and gentlemen, let me go ahead and bring him out. His name, the Golden Child, Christopher Mckenzie. And this week, what I put out here to say is I am so thankful that Myrtle Beach outlawed Bike Week. You see, you rednecks, you hop on a bike because that's the only thing you can afford, and you can't afford a real car like my Prius. You see, my daddy, I said my daddy, shut up while talking. Makes me better than you.
Hang on a second. I got something more important. Myrtle Beach, make some noise! Now what's this you talking about? Crying about bikes?
Motorcycles! They're too loud, they pollute the earth!
Who's got a bike in here? Alright. It looks like you're the number one man on the Suck Club tonight. The number one man on the Suck Club. Because you suck, obviously. What kind of bike do you have, Golden Child?
My daddy bought me the
big mouth. I'm a little offended. Let me tell you about my bike, all right?